Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is my facial introduction. Okay, like this is my personal. Maybe should that some other times. Okay, so basically I just want to do a makeup tutorial because that's what I actually had lined up for a very long time now. And you all know, like, makeup is a very common thing on YouTube. Like, it's not anything special or anything new that I'm going to do, but I'm just going to use the basic products I use. I don't use all expensive Maybelline or Maybelline or Fit Me products, or you know, now all those expensive products. Like, I just go for what I can afford for now, and the makeup still comes out beautifully. So this is going to be my before look before I start the makeup. I'm going to be taking you guys through the process of doing this makeup. Come along with me. I'm going to be starting with face wipes to just clean off any debts on my face and to make the makeup go well on my face. So I'm going to start with the wipes. Just gonna clean around, clean every nooks and crannies of the face. Clean every corner, clean everywhere. Yeah, clean your eye, under your eyes, up of your eyes, clean your brows. Yeah, so that's that on that. So after I've wiped it, you can see it's quite will I say wet, but then it's quite, so I have to find this where to go down before I now apply my primer. I'm gonna be using the Black Up Paris primer. It's not expensive, but I got it at a very cheap rate. I can't remember how much I got it, but it was quite cheap. So I'm going to be applying the primer on my face after this has gone down a little bit. So I'm going to be applying the primer just a little, because sometimes these primers, if you put too much, it depends on the kind of product though. If you put it too much and you try to apply the foundation later, it makes your face look so white. Yeah, it makes your face look white. So I apply the primer on everywhere. Apply the primer everywhere. You can see my brows is already shaped, so I actually don't need to shape my brows again. So after applying my primer, what I do next is just to draw my brows. Drawing the brows is not hard though, but first I'm going to be using the brush, this pencil brush, to brush over it. Just brush here. I hope you guys can see it though. Just brush here. After I brush, I'm going to take my eye pencil and just draw over it. Just follow the line of the brows though. Just draw over it, draw over it. I hope you guys can see it though. Just draw. You can draw it to just paint it as much as how you want it to be. If you want to be very dark, fine. If you want to just be faint, fine. But I always like mine to be faint, not too dark, you know, just smooth. Okay. And after this, I want to apply this this Million Pauline whatever longwear gel eyeliner. I'm going to be applying this. I'm going to be applying the brown on my brows. The brown. Okay, let's stop. Can you just focus? Okay, so whatever. So this is the gel liner that I'm going to be applying on my brows. It's really jelly. It's jelly. So jelly. Okay, I'm sure I didn't do this well. Dough. Okay. Okay, so guys, that's that on that. After applying my gel liner on my brows, I think I'll just like to go for the foundation now. That's that. I'm done with the brows. No. Okay, so let me just clean off this stuff. Let me just shaping it. Let's say shaping. Let me conceal it. So I want to conceal. I hope you guys can see it though. And this is also a way you guys can get. It's not expensive. It's never up to 1,000. It's a foundation though. I'm using the foundation to conceal my brows. Can't find my concealer, so I'm just using the foundation to conceal. Using the foundation to conceal. Okay. Okay, so guys, that's on my brows. Just simple and short. Guys, makeup artists won't show you their flaws. These are my own flaws. This is my own flaws before I tabo. Focus. Okay, so I'm done with my brows. Now I'm just gonna apply my foundation. Not to apply too much though, just a little bit. So I'm just gonna put it around. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Oh, I didn't tell you the name of my foundation. It's okay, Mary Kay. Y'all know Mary Kay, right? But it's not the expensive Mary Kay. Just the normal market Mary Kay. And the other is online. Other is from the market. I went to the market to buy it. You put on your eye under this place. You know what it is now. You shall put it there. Then you go around, you still dab, you dab around, you dab it, 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 you dab it. If you like though, you can touch your brows if you want to. Just dab it around. Underneath your eye, it's also just dab it, you dab it. Just dab it. Okay, so I've gone around, guys. So I'm going to conceal it now. So you can see. How do I focus this stuff? Okay, maybe I should just take closer. So you guys can see. see it perfectly. Focus! Whatever, this thing doesn't want to focus. I'm tired. So I'm just going to conceal the face. I don't know what to do again. Otisumi. I'm just going to conceal with the face. This is frustrating. I'm just going to conceal my face. I'm just going to conceal it. Hope you guys can see it. I don't want to have to do another video of this. I really don't want. Hope you guys can see it though. And this one has refused to focus like this. There's nothing I can do about it. Because I'm the only one helping myself over here. Over here, over here, over here, over here, over here, over here. So after concealing wherever you want to conceal, the name of my concealer is what's the name? La Pride. I'm proud of my concealer. You say what? Okay, so let me just dab around. Just dab. Make sure you do it well. So by the time you put your bronzer or your baking powder, sorry, it's gonna stay. Okay. Bam, bam, bam. You guys can see my face now. So I've concealed my face, so that's that on that. So now I'm going to just apply my baking powder, and if this thing doesn't want to focus, this is my baking powder, black opal. You guys might know it though. It doesn't want to focus. It doesn't want to focus. This camera is a scam. Whatever, I'm still going to do this makeup. Then you apply your baking powder gently. You guys notice I've not put my eyeshadow though. I want to do the natural makeup, just the natural, no shadows, no shadows. So I'm going to wait for just few minutes for it to just set. Not to overset, but just to set a little bit. Then I'll take my brush and just brush it out. Brush it off or brush it off. Okay. Okay. Can you see my contour? Okay. Brush it down, you brush it up, you brush it up. So guys, that's that on that. My nude. Okay, this is a nude makeup tutorial. If you didn't know, now you know. So this is just a normal natural makeup tutorial. So after doing that, I apply my powder. I'm not gonna show you guys my powder. Because you guys are gonna laugh at me. It's a set of powder, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush around it. I'm just gonna brush around. So guys, powder applied. I can see the difference in my face. I'm not just wasting my time here. So that's that. So guys, I'm just going to be applying a little bit of eyeshadow, not too much, because I said I was doing nude. So I don't have to apply too much of it, just a little bit. Just a little will do. So after doing that, I'm just gonna fix my lashes. Where's the lashes? And this is the lashes I'm gonna be fixing. Red cherry. Red cherry lashes, so you guys can see it. So that's what I'm going to be fixing. Yay! So I fixed the lashes, then I just put on my white lip gloss. I actually don't like long lashes because this lashes is quite long. So that's that on that. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Thank you for staying with me to the end of this video. I love you guys and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Time for the shoot. Time for a photo shoot. Yeah. I don't think this lashes thing is my thing. I think I'm going to remove it. You guys, I don't know, some of you might like fixing lashes, some of you might not. It's all good. So this is just my nude makeup tutorial. Thank you guys for staying with me. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to make you guys, and I hope to bring more content to you guys soon enough. Thank you. Bye.